54 is a multiple of 6, but not 56. Find the quotient of this divided by this. So quotient, revise, if I have 1000 or 100 divided by 2, I get 50, right? 50 here is my quotient. If I use 101 divided by 2, I get 50 remainder 1. This is my remainder. 1 is my remainder, okay? So quotient of 3052 divided by 5. You get a 3 here. Bring down 2. Alright. So this is too small. You have to write remainder 2. So the answer is 1. If you work backwards, $630 times 5. Okay, and then you plus a 2. This will give me 3152. That's the same answer, okay? Look at the 8-point compass below. Samuel is standing at point A over here. When Samuel turns 135 degrees in a clockwise direction, he'll be facing the MRT station. He will be facing here. Where was he facing at first? So let's revise. Clockwise is like this, like the clock. That's why it's called clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. So we have to work backwards. 135 is basically 90, which is a right angle, plus 45 degrees, which is half of it, half of 90. So in other words, it's going to be moving about 3 intervals. Okay, so the final is here. So you work backwards. This is 45, this is 90. Oh, wait. Yeah, so we work backwards. So this is 45, this is 90, this is 45, another 45, so it's 135 in total. Alright, so initially he's facing the toilet over here. Okay. Which of these following figures are symmetrical? This is symmetrical, yes. This, there's no way you can cut it that will look symmetrical, so no. This one, it might have been symmetrical if it was rounded here as well, but as you can see, this is a straight line, so no. This is symmetrical, can cut here or can cut here also can. So A and D, number 3. Which of the following lines is a line of symmetry for the figure shown below? If you look at A, you have this part, right? If you look at A, yeah? You have this part, you have this part, and you have this part on the left hand side. Alright, if I were to make it symmetrical, I should have this side also, and only this side. But I have all this other extra stuff, so A and B is not. Let's look at the next option, CD. Okay, CD, next option. Over here. Which, yeah, it looks symmetrical. This and this, this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. So answer is CD. But let's, for the sake of going through every question, every option, let's look at the next one, which is EF. EF over here. If I have this here, I should have this here. What? If I have this here, I should have this here. Okay? I think this will be enough to show you why 2 is the correct answer. A factory produces 1,620 toy cars, it produced 150 fewer toy trucks than toy cars. How many toy trucks did the factory produce? Okay, so this is number of toy cars. Trucks is less than cars, so minus 150. Okay, so the answer 0 minus 0, 0. I borrow, become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Just now I borrow, so become 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1470. Number 1. There are two traffic light A and B at different junction. Traffic light A and traffic light B turn red every 3 and 5 minutes respectively. Okay, they are to start at 10 AM. What time will both turn red at the same time again? So this is basically asking for common multiple. Okay, so 3 and 5, what's their common multiple? The biggest common multiple, the lowest common multiple that they have is 15, because you always start with the bigger number. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. Ask yourself, is 5 a multiple of 3? No. Is 10 a multiple of 3? No. Is 15 a multiple of 3? Yes. 3 is a factor of 15. So 15 is the answer. Alright, and then start at 10. So you add 15 minutes. Okay, 10 AM. You add 15 minutes to it. So 10:15 AM. Option 4. 6 people paid a total of $7,044 for a trip. Each pupil paid an equal amount. How much did each pupil pay for the trip? So this is a simple division question. You bring the 0 down. 10. Okay, you can, at most you can only minus 6. So you have 4 here. Bring down a 4. 4. At most is divide by 7, which gives me 42. I have a 2 here. 2, bring down a 4. I will get an 8. Alright, 24 divided by 6 is 8. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, so the answer is number 2. I have to erase this part. There are 38 pupils. Nurul gave 15 cubes to each pupil and had 4 cubes left. Okay, so 138 pupils times 15 cubes. And then later on you go and plus 4. So 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 5 times 1 plus 1, 6. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. This one you add together will be 17. Bring over the 1. It will be a 10. So you bring over the 1. 2070. Plus 4. Remainder. 4 left, right? 2074. Answer is 4. Shirley and Ellen have a total of $4,260. Shirley has twice as much money as Ellen. Alright. How much money must Shirley give to Ellen so that they will have the same amount of money? So as you can see, Shirley has twice as much as Ellen. So Shirley has 2 units. Ellen has 1 unit. Total is 3 units. Okay, and the total is $4,260. So you use $4,260 divide by 3. You should get this. Alright, bring down a 6, a 2. Okay, so 1 unit is 1420. If they want to have the same amount of money, it means that 4260 must divide by 2 people. So that would be 4260 divided by 4. Okay, 2 1 0 6 3 2130 per person. So how much money must Shirley give to Ellen? Alright, or in other words, how much must Ellen have more in addition? Okay, so this is basically 4120 is basically Ellen because it's 1 unit. So 2130 minus 1420, you will know this is the amount that Ellen needs to have, or in other words, Shirley needs to give Ellen. 11 minus 4 is 7. I borrowed that, so I must pay it back. Now is 710. Answer is 1. Alright, this is the end of section A, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. If anything, comment below, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.